to my channel, and as you can see, your girl got some mail. So today we are unboxing. So I've seen this thing going around with TLC, the CBD, Iaso tea. So I got some in the mail. I ordered this last week and I got it in like 7 days, so I will be unboxing it. Let's see what's in the box. So this is just what I ordered. I got the tea, the NutriBurst. So for this tea, it's the hemp extract, and it's the lemon flavor. And then this is the NutriBurst, which is like the vitamin that, you know, contains everything to fight bacteria and all of that. So for the tea, it says to make it, says mix 1 sachet with at least 16 fluid ounces. And I got my bottles right here. I will be showing you guys how I'm going to prep for the tea. There is 25 sachet bags in here. So we're gonna split it half and half, and then this we're just gonna take, it says shake well, best use early morning on empty stomach, maybe combine with juice, store away from heat, and light, refrigerate after open. 1 tablespoon daily or as directed by healthcare professionals. So this is a shot per day. Not a shot, just 1 tablespoon per day in the morning, which that would be pretty precise to take your vitamins in the morning, I would say. So I'm gonna open a bag and see how these are looking. So it's like this. So it's like this much, and then yeah, there's like 25 of these. So yeah, we're gonna do this and then take a tablespoon of this in the morning. And now I'm gonna show you guys how I'm going to prep my tea for my 12-day journey, I would say. I'm gonna take this for 12 days. We're splitting it. So we're gonna see what I could lose in 12 days. This video will be 2 parts. So this will be an unboxing and prep video. And then I will go ahead and do my journey taking the tea. To add to this tea, I'm gonna put that right there. I'm gonna add ginger, like a little bit of ginger, because I guess it helps boost the tea that you're taking. So I'm gonna add a little bit of ginger in each bottle as I make the tea. So do this. I was recommended by Tamika Cole. I will link her her name below in my description box. She's on Facebook, and I was recommended by her to buy this tea.
Put you on, guys.
So that's her on Facebook. But I'm gonna link her Facebook so you guys could check it out. So as I was saying, I was recommended by her to use half, because this is 16 fluid ounces. So she said to use 8-ounce bottles, but I could not find 8-ounce bottles. So I pour half of the water out, And then I'm gonna use 1 bag per 8 ounce of water. I don't know how you say it. It would be like, it got more effect. And then she said add a piece of ginger. So I'm gonna add a piece of ginger to that. You gotta get all of it. Since I gotta cut it this small, I'm gonna put 2 pieces in there. I'm gonna try and use the side of the knife and crush these just like that, and then see if it got more defects. Because you know when you put teeth, it makes you work on it, like the gas off and stuff. So that's what we're gonna do, and then after you add the ginger, so I'm on the last 2. Thanks to hubby for helping.
You're welcome.
And they also all night. So I added 2 small pieces to each bottle, and I did crush it first before I add it. Crush. Add it to the bottle. So that's 2. I'm gonna add an extra piece. 3. Just this one. And then cover it. Shake, shake, shake. And let it sit. So we have 25 bottles here. I'm going to let these sit in the fridge for at least 2 days. I was gonna do 1 day, but I'm like, why not start on a Sunday? So I'm gonna start on a Sunday, which starts the week. So that would give me like a more organized schedule. So we got 25 here. So my next video, guys, I will be taking my measurements around my stomach area Because we're not trying to lose this down here. We're just trying to lose right here. This right here stuff. This something right there stuff. And we'll go from there. So this is it, guys. This I will be starting tonight, which is a Friday. So we will be taking a tablespoon
and teaspoon of liquor. You can drink it with alcohol.
It is vitamins.
You can. It smells bad. It smells bad. It mess up my whole night, bread. You can remember money a vitamin smell things.
Okay. So that's it for the video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please go check out my videos.
Go check that out right now.
My videos that I've been putting up. I did a cooking video, so go check it out and let me know.
Team Powell over here. Team Powell over here.
Let me know what you think. And that's it. Where you want it?
No, oats.
People, you get oats.
My
What
oats
time
now.
is it?
Almost
10 o'clock.
No, no man. That smell like. Some of you drink that brother, man. Alright, let's go.
1,
2.
no,
Your face now look like it already.
no, man. It's not bad.
I feel it already just by the first goal.